Today on Shiny Shine, guys, we just got a new Sprayground book bag for the 2024 to 2025 school year. Let me go grab that now so we can showcase it and all the features. Let's get it. Alright, so here goes the book bag. We have this, the money, whatever, the red money thing. It's leopard theme with the jaguar. I don't know, leopard, jaguar, then tiger, and mouth. You can see the eyes right on the side. That's what I like. And it has a lot of storage, even a secret compartment in the back. Now look at this. You see this? It might just look like some normal thing, right? But look. You can open this and put extra things in here. That's what I like about this book bag. So you can put your hand all the way through here. And no, it's not going inside. It's on the back of here. And there's a little zipper, actually, in the back. Right here. That's what I like about this book bag. Alright, let's close that up. Let's show you guys the inside. Well, before that, we have this golden, I don't know what it's called. Belt? I don't know. Here goes the inside. Wait, what? Wait, you can put stuff in here? I didn't even know that myself, guys. Wow, look at this. It's a small little patch. You can put stuff in here. See? Let's close it back. I didn't even know this was here the first time. That's exactly why I like this book bag, because it has a lot of storage. And you can put 2 water bottles in here. One right here. And it's pretty deep. That fits half of my arm. Yeah. Alright, now let's get into the book. We have this long pouch. Right there. Then, oh, here goes the zippers. You can open it like this. I already have my school supplies in here, so that. Here goes, like, it's a lot of zippers and stuff. If I have a lot of stuff, yeah. This is brand new. I got this yesterday, actually. And I already put my school supplies in. Whatever these is, we don't need that. Yeah. But, yeah. It's a zipper, little pouch right here. Right there. And it's another small zipper. Oh, never mind. It's just this. Okay, let's see what else. What else? Go back. And then you have this. Just hold on. This back piece. All the way in the back. Yeah, I put my pencils and stuff and pens. I'm going to the 4th grade and I'm pretty proud of that. But yeah, got that. Let's see what else. Nothing else so far. Oh, here. There's another zipper in the back instead of the front. This is the front part and this is the back. So yeah, hold on. Well, you can't really see it, but yeah, it's right there. Whatever I'm holding my hands on. So it has a lot of storage. But yeah, hold on. See if there's anything at the bottom. And no. That's it for today's review in this book bag. I have 2 more book bags. I got one right there and one I used this year and last year. Like before, back then, 2023 to 2024. It doesn't have a big pouch right here, but yeah, you can put extra things in here. Right here. That's what I like about this book bag. You can put a lot of things in here. And it's pretty expensive. It's $70 for one of these book bags. But if you want a lot of storage, reliable, because my mom said I got to keep this till I'm in high school. But that's why I like it. Oh yeah, and there's this furry part at the bottom. It's like fur. If you can see that. Whatever I'm putting my hand on. That's fur and I like that too. That's all the features about this book bag. And it's pretty cool to wear to school. People, because these book bags are like famous. Well, not famous, but you'll mainly see them. I'm keeping all of this on, even this. I might take off. Oh, No, I'm not taking off this either. Yeah. See, look, hold on. Ooh, it changes. Features about this book bag. Then you gotta put that in the trash and stuff. And then you have the money that I like. I like the money. Yeah, I love this book bag. I can't wait to go back to school because I start school back on the 12th and today's the 5th, I think, or 6th. But yeah, let's look. Pretty good. I'll be walking around school like this. I like this book bag very much. All right, but that's it for today on Shiny Sean. Peace out.